In this video, I'll show you how you can use the night vision in GTA Online. Now, first things first, you have to purchase the accessory, the night vision glasses. So all you have to do is go to any animation on the map and then navigate to the gear section. Here it is. And then all you have to do is go ensure that you have night vision purchased. Now, once you have purchased it, it will automatically equip itself. So once you have purchased it, all you have to do is bring up the interaction menu by pressing M on PC. If you're on PS5, press and hold the touchpad. If you're on Xbox, press and hold the view button. And then in the interaction menu, scroll down and select appearance. And then within the appearance, select accessories. At this point, ensure that the night vision has been equipped. And then at the bottom right corner, you should see the activation button. So for me, it's space. So all I have to do is press the space bar, and now you can use night vision. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.